Afterward God said, "Let the waters bring forth in abundance every creeping thing that hath life, and let the fowl fly upon the earth in the open firmament of the heaven." Then God created the great whales, and everything living and moving, which the waters brought forth in abundance according to their kind. And every feathered fowl according to his kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God blessed them, saying, "Bring forth fruit and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let the fowl multiply in the earth." So the evening and the morning were the fifth day.